Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is Windows XP. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Windows XP? Windows XP is a computer operating system that was developed by Microsoft as part of the Windows NT family of operating systems. It was released to manufacturing on August 24, 2001 and officially launched on October 25, 2001. Windows XP was the successor to Windows 2000 and brought several important changes and improvements to the Windows operating system. We have here guys the some key features and changes introduced in Windows XP include: number 1, user interface. Windows XP introduced a redesigned and more visually appealing user interface compared to its predecessors. It featured a task-based navigation system, a start menu, and a more user-friendly design. Number 2, stability and performance. Windows XP was known for its improved stability and performance compared to earlier versions of Windows, particularly the consumer-oriented Windows 9X series like Windows 95, 98, and ME. Number 3, compatibility. Windows XP aimed to improve software and hardware compatibility, making it easier for users to run a wide range of applications and devices. Number 4, wireless networking support. Windows XP included enhanced support for wireless networking, making it easier for users to connect to Wi-Fi networks. Number 5, system restore. The system restore feature allowed users to revert their system to a previous state if issues occurred, providing a safety net for system changes. Number 6, fast user switching. This feature allowed multiple users to be logged in simultaneously with the ability to switch between user accounts without logging out. Number 7, Windows Security Center. Windows XP introduced a centralized location for monitoring the security status of the system, including antivirus, firewall, and automatic updates. Number 8, Windows Update. The Windows Update service was improved in Windows XP to provide easier access to critical updates, patches, and service packs. Windows XP remained a popular operating system for many years, but Microsoft officially ended its supports on April 8, 2014. This means that the company no longer provides security updates or technical support for Windows XP. As a result, it is not recommended to use Windows XP for systems connected to the internet due to security vulnerabilities. Users are encouraged to update to a recent and more supported version of Windows. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Windows XP is all about. Once a very popular Windows operating system version. Actually guys, no, for your information, this is one of the longest being marketed Windows version in the market. I think 14 years or 13 years on the market, so very stable. However, there are some limitation of security, and then the recent development in technology in computers. Windows XP is no more can adapt with the new changes in technology, especially in computer technology. So we have to adapt with the newest version like Windows 10, Windows 11 version of Windows. Thank you again for supporting my channel and watching my videos. Likes, share. So don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.